In the previous video, which was long time ago, I managed to create a simple app in .NET framework that was able to connect to CTrader and MetaTrader 4, print the quotes on the chart and look for the gaps. Let's see, when we go live trading, I think I had here different strategies. Yeah, there. What's up guys, my name is Mike, I am a software engineer, Forex Algo trader, and recently I've been living in Thailand as an expat or so-called digital nomad. So for those who are new to this channel, if you're interested in the Forex arbitrage trading, latency trading, AI trading, or just interesting software engineering, please subscribe to this channel and join our Discord group where we can exchange interesting ideas. And now let's move to the main topic of this video, which is me sharing my journey on building a proper software for latency arbitrage trading. So let's see where we stopped last time. Obviously, I had to develop more functions like opening trades or running the strategy or connecting to more brokers and more symbols and stuff like this. So I did. I started to build it from scratch. At that time, I had problems with Windows Forms. I did not really remember now what was the problem, but I was having problems with them from what I remember. And I didn't like it so much, so I decided to move the entire project to WPF project. And I also called this application Arbitrage Manager 2.0. I even made icon for that one. Okay, so due to the fact that it was a long time ago since I was developing this version, before this video I had to browse my GitHub repo to find any source of codes or the binaries. I managed to find only the binaries for this app, unfortunately. So I think I lost the source code somewhere a long time ago when I was changing my laptop or changing the VPSs, but anyway, I was able to recover a binary file for you. We can have a look how this app looked at that time. Okay guys, so this is the last application that I made. I mean the application from the previous video. So yeah, this is that one that you can remember. But I think something, yeah, it's that old that it's not working anymore because it's unmaintained. So now let me show you the app, the Arbitrage Manager 2.0 that I made. So yeah, this is the icon of the app that I told you I've made. So let's turn it on. As you can see, it produced some folders. So yeah, this is the app. So what we can see in here, I can see that I made some navigation bar. Here we can see the map. From what I remember, the initial idea was to have the pins of the broker servers on the map. So when I will add multiple connections, I will be able to see all of the servers on the map, so I can then match the latencies, match the distances. So anyway, this is the main dashboard. Let's see, when we go live trading, I think I had here different strategies. Yeah, there are some strategies that I coded, so with buttons to start and stop. What do we have here? We have the accounts. So the account type I made was the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Rhythmic, some top secret one that I will not disclose as it's not finished yet, that I will not disclose. And we got also CTrader. So yeah, let's start to add one account. Maybe we can try with the CTrader fix. Okay, so this is the window. Let's try to populate it. Where is my CTrader? So let's go to the fix API. What do we have here? We need, of course, the host name. The host should be here. This is okay. Okay, sender comp ID needs to be filled. So it's that one. This is the login and my temporary password. Not like this, but like this. And yeah, Just click accept, and as you can see, new connection has been added, but broker is not filled, comment is not done, but we have the server and also we have the ping and the location UK. So when I will go right now here to the dashboard, and when I will go to the UK, we should see the pin with the broker server, and as you can see, C trader and the account number. So it looks like it's working, and my location is in Thailand currently, but I don't know why this pin was moved to the top. But anyway, I'm on the bottom of the Thailand, Koh Samui. So anyway, we have the account here. Here we got something to display online accounts. So let's go to the symbols. Let's add symbol for the C trader fix. Let's add Euro USD. So now we need to go find the Euro USD on the C trader app, and I think it was here. Open the chart. No, let me just check. Symbol window, there it is. So if you will scroll on the bottom, you should see the fix API symbol ID. There it is. So the ID is number 1. So let's add it here, accept, and as you can see, we have the symbol added. We can update it. What else do I have? I have something for manual trading, fix debugger, account trading. Okay, so now you saw how the Arbitrage Manager 2.0 looked like. As you can see, it has many bugs and was clearly not finished to that point. I remember I had problems with the architecture of that software. It was not scalable and the connection objects were without a common interface. So at that point, I was forced to ditch this approach and create something that had more manageable code base. Then the idea of distributed system came to me. But more about this in the next video. Okay guys, thank you for watching till this end of this video. If you like the content, please subscribe to my channel down below, and if you're interested in exchanging any ideas about the Forex algo trading, please join the Discord community I have. Subscribe, it helps me get motivated to produce more content for you.